Hello friends, welcome once again in my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one program, and that is also once again the basic program we do in our C programming language, and that is to find sum of two numbers. But suppose if that numbers they are not going to be integer, they are going to be other than integer, like maybe 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. Then how to do that? So let's see that practically. So here is code blocks. Sum of two numbers, comment, once again prepossessed directive, head of file, main function. Now as we are going to find sum of two numbers, they are not integer, so we can write and be decimal numbers or fractional numbers. Fractional numbers. So we have to, if we are going to use values like 2.3, 5.3, 6.7, and they are not integer, they are fractional numbers, then how to declare them? So if we are going to use such type of values or variables, then we have to declare them not as an int, we have to declare them as float. We can see here, just declare as float. After declaring float, what happens? This a, it will accept integer value or maybe non-integer like 2.3, 3.1, 5.6. B, it also will accept integer, non-integer value. When you find sum of fractional value and others of fractional value, then it will give you once again fractional value. So this sum, it also has to be float data type. So first of all, you have to declare two variables a and b, and after that, since you are going to find sum of a and b, so you need to have sum there. So also declare sum as float data type. So we need three variables, and after declaring, we have to go for input of a and b, and since we have declared here, this is declaration line, we have declared a, b, and sum as float. We have to use here not t, f. Similarly, declare here f. So if you want to put comma, it's okay. If you don't want to put, it's okay. So for floating data type, we have to put here %f. This is called is conversion specifier or format specifier. We have to use it. Otherwise, computer will not accept our data. So we have to use it. This for this %f for a, this %f for b. After that, give a formula. So formula is here. Now we are going to print the input numbers with their sum. So since they are a floating data type, put their conversion specifier f, and the sum is also f. Just put f, and after that, it is ready to compile. So let's compile it once again, and after that, compiling process going on. So finish, 0 errors, 0 warnings. So let's run it. If you press build, then it will overwrite the existing exe file. Just click run or build and run. So we are going to input here 2.3, 4.3. So we can see here 2.3 and 4.3, output is 6.6. So it is 100% right. So this is how we can input our data for other than integer numbers. So it's very simple there. In this way, we can input floating data type. So if we think that the data we are going to use, they are going to be not only integer, they also can be floating or the fraction value, then simply we have to use float here. Now one question is there, suppose if we give integer, will it accept? Obviously. What this float does there, if we give integer type of value while inputting, then it converts that integer into floating data type. For example, so let's compile it, let's run it. Suppose if I give uh, 2, which is an integer, 4, which is also an integer. Now we can see here I entered there 2, but it is converted into floating by putting 2.00. It is done by float. Similarly, I also input there 4. It is also converted into floating data type, and output is 6.00. So float, it helps us to input any type of data very easily. I think you understood this program. If you have any confusion, doubt, then just put a comment that put in comment section. I'll reply that. If you have answered fully, then it's okay. Just let's be happy. And if you want to talk on particular section of C programming, just you can also put in your comment box. You can chat with me, and you can share this video with your friends if they are learning C program. And I'm thankful that you have already subscribed that. And I'll see you once again in the next video of C programming. Till then, take care, stay positive, stay blessed.